Okay, so the primary goal of having a group discussion is to assess the communication skills of the students, how well you can communicate, about the conflict resolution, about your negotiation skills, how well your understanding is. Can you, comply with other people's point of views or not? All those kinds of things are being assessed in GDs. So spontaneity, health discussion, healthy discussions, good communication skills, they all play a very important role in shaping a good employee for a company. Suppose, let's say you're a very good developer, but one thing that you lack is that you cannot hear other people's opinions. You think whatever you are saying, or whatever path that you've chosen, or whatever solution that you've chosen, it is the best. You cannot hear other people's opinions. Do you think that kind of an employee is going to do good in a company? Someone who's not ready to listen to any other and just think that he is the best? Do you think that is going to be a benefit for any company? I suppose not. You should also think not. Okay. Why? Because obviously you're a good programmer, but if you're not open to suggestions, you're not open to hearing, listening others, taking others' opinions, then obviously you're not going to flourish in a space. You're not going to let the company thrive, obviously. And there would be all the other kinds of conflicts which would arise in the workplace because of your attitude. Okay. So those things are being assessed in this skill assessment in this GD rounds. Okay. To clear this round is to best attend as many discussions as possible. You should be part of discussions. You should be able to speak and communicate well. Also keep your GK, general knowledge, awareness vast. So when you go to GD rounds, you are given topics which are sometimes related to general awareness only. If you do not have that mindset, if you're not aware of what is happening around in the world, you'll not be able to speak. So attend the practice sessions which are held in your colleges, attend some sessions which are also online. You can even arrange sessions among your friends, your peers, if you need to exceed. We all can meet our friends to hang out, to go to movies, to maybe just go out, buy some lunch and dinner and something like that, just to hang out. Yeah. But it's also important that you guys sit together, study, and have these discussions as well. The more good of your, the more better people there are in your groups, who are generally aware, who have some opinions to share, that much knowledge you are also going to gain. I know this kind sounds of, why it is going into mummy ka lecture, but it happens. Okay.